welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you're so welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous looking passion twist. I mean, this is the first time I'm actually attempting this, and for it to come out looking this, you know, beautiful and gorgeous, then I mean, I believe I want to share with you guys. So if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this, then you need to keep on watching this video. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you what I used to prep my hair before starting. This is the black castor oil just to oil my scalp, and then I also use a lot of water and my leave-in conditioner so that my hair is soft and easy to manage and easy to work with. So this is what my hair is looking like. I use a rubber band method, and I went ahead to partition my hair into sections. I'm not sure how many sections there are, but it was quite full. I mean, but this is a rubber band method, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this part. So you want to section your hair depending, especially the front. Make sure that the front is very neat and make sure that you have equal sections. So this is the rubber band which I'm using. It is tangle free, so make sure your hair is well moisturized before using it so that it doesn't break. And after tying for about 3-4 times, depending on when you feel like it is secure, and make sure it is not so tight, I'm just going to pull that so that it goes all the way to the root of my hair. Make sure that it is not tight because your hair could break, so make sure that the rubber band is not so tight on your hair. Okay, now this is the extensions which I'm going to be using. Is from Darling, and this is the passion twist. It comes two in a pack, and I think I used about three. Yeah, I think I used about three different packs for this. So that is how I achieved that full look. So I went ahead to do the back, and this is what it's looking like. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this using the front. So basically what you need 2 strands. I used 2 strands of passion twist. That's how I was able to achieve that bubbly and that very full look. And what you want to do is you want to separate it so that it looks more fluffy. If you go ahead to use it the way it is, you might not get that very fluffy and bubbly passion twist effect. So make sure you separate it, and when you do that, you're going to get something looking like this. So my rubber band method is a bit different from what I see on YouTube. That is because I actually braid my hair as opposed to doing the crochet method. So I have my hair in 3 parts, just like you would normally do when you want to braid your hair. And then what I do is I go in with the braiding hair. That is a passion twist. And since I've sectioned my hair into 3 parts, 1 part is going to be my 3rd braiding hair. And then I'm just going to braid the other 2 sections of my hair with the passion twist. So this strand right here, this strand is my last braiding hair. Now this is the front and is a bit tinier than the back, so I'm just going to braid that up to like a decent length so that the base of the hair is firm and it doesn't pull out. So braid it to a particular extent that you're sure is enough, and then you can go ahead and start twisting. Now there's a different way I twist, which I'm going to be showing you guys. Okay, so now I'm twisting my hair, and I have this in slow motion so that you can really understand. So I'm twisting from the back to the front. Take note of my hand movement and the way my hand is really moving. I twist from the back to the front, and I make sure that it is secure. I make sure that it is tight. That way it doesn't lose, and once you're done with that strand, you get that passion twist. Just so that I don't confuse you guys, I would say twist such that when you leave the strand, like when you're done with that particular strand of passion twist, once you drop it, your hair looks like a spring. I don't know, it shouldn't look like a normal twist of an attachment. It shouldn't look like a regular twist. It should have a spring look. I don't know, I'm going to try to zoom into the ones that I have already done. It should look like a spring basically. So if you do one method and if you twist a particular way and you don't get that spring look, twist it the opposite way, because I know you guys are seeing this from like a different angle than how I am actually twisting my hair. That is why I don't want to confuse you guys. But twist so that when you're done with that particular strand, you have a spring look. So I see a lot of YouTubers use a styling gel just so that you have like that firm grip, but what they usually use is the shine and jam, and I'm going to drop a picture of it just right here so that you can see. Now that is up to you if you want that. It just helps you to get like a smoother base, or you can also use hair wax, anyone whichever one you want, but I try not to use so much of this just because I want to have this in for such a long time. So it depends on you, whatever you want to put in your hair. Okay, so this is just me twisting my hair again just so that you guys can have like another view from the front. So take note of my hand movement and just look at how my hands are literally twisting as I twist. So twist the hair before you actually twist. I don't know if you guys understand. I don't want to confuse you guys, but as you're twisting, be twisting each strand so that you have that very firm look, and you might get some hair out of the twist. That is what makes it the passion twist, trust me. So now this is what it's looking like. This is what I'm trying to explain. So you have some strands coming out, and just braid it all the way down, and by the time you're done braiding to the tip, you're going to get like I don't know, it depends on, I feel like it depends on the extensions you're using, but for this one, the darling extension, when I was done twisting, this is what it was looking like. So you want to make sure that you trim that off so that you have even ends once you're done twisting. So make sure you trim, and then when you trim, you get it looking like this. So yeah, that's it. I started this hair by about say 12 p.m. and I was done by 10:30 p.m. so that's like almost the whole day. But anyways, I had help with the back. I had help with partitioning the back and getting straight lines at the back. I mean, it's not so straight, but it's manageable. And I also had help twisting the back. So I went ahead to use the Nova Gold styling mousse just for increased volume and hold, and this is the last thing I applied on my hair. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful, let me know in the comment section, and if you enjoyed it, also let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay.